Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. दोस्तों, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक होंगे और खैरियत से होंगे। ये शॉर्ट वीडियो है, इसको स्किप ना करें ताकि आपको टॉपिक समझ में आए कि क्या टॉपिक है। Is this clear? So today our topic is preposition, right? Today I am going to present another preposition which is before. In this video I am going to explain before. Now what is before, how to use it, where to use it and what does it mean, right? So see, before is a preposition. What is before? According to the grammar, it is a preposition. Before is a preposition with us, right? Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition है हमारे पास. Is this clear? So now, what does it mean in English, right? Or in Urdu. So what does it mean? It means, see, before means earlier than. In English it means earlier than. Is this clear? In Urdu इसका मतलब है पहले. इसका मतलब है पहले. Is this clear? Now what is the usage of it? इसका इस्तेमालात क्या है? So see, before is used for order or arrangement. The usage of before is used for order or arrangement. Now what does it mean? It means that we are talking about that something which is randomly written or organized. We want to make them in sequence or we want to write them in sequence, right? Or order or arrangement means in sequence. Is this clear? इसका इस्तेमाल क्या है? Before is used for order or arrangement. ये हम तरतीब के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किसी चीज को तरतीब में रखना या लिखने के लिए हम before इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Is this clear? So see the example. O is before P. If we talk about alphabets, right, we have 26 alphabets. So these two are one of them, right? One of them. So see, O is before P. Now what does this mean? This means that O comes before P. O comes before P. We have to write O before P. Is this clear? So इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? O is before P. इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि O जो है, हमारे पास अल्फाबेट्स है, 26 लेटर है, राइट, अल्फाबेट्स के. तो O जो है ये हम P से पहले लिखते हैं और पहले आता है. O P से पहले आता है. Is this clear? See second example. SAT Saturday is before Sunday, right? See, Saturday is before Sunday. Now what does this example means? This example means that first Saturday comes, then after Saturday Sunday comes, right? So we want to write them in order, right? In order or in sequence. Is this clear? So Saturday comes before Sunday. It means that Saturday comes before Monday. First first we have Saturday, after Saturday we have Sunday. Is this clear? We cannot say that so we do not have Sunday first and then Saturday, but we have Saturday first and Sunday second or after Saturday. Is this clear? So see another example, one more example, the last one. March comes before April. March comes before April. Now what does this example means? This example means that first we have March, after March we have April. Is this clear? So in sequence, we are talking about in sequence, right? We are pronouncing or we are explaining the months of year, right? In sequence, in order. Is this clear? We cannot explain it or pronounce them in randomly, right? So whenever we are talking about sequence or order, then we use before, right? So see, March comes before April. It means after March we have April. After March we have April. Is this clear? See, Saturday is before Sunday. इस एग्जाम्पल का क्या मतलब हुआ? इस एग्जाम्पल का मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारे पास मतलब हफ्ते का दिन इतवार से पहला आता है. हफ्ते का दिन इतवार से पहले आता है. तो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि बिफोर का मतलब है पहले, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि सैटरडे इज बिफोर संडे. हफ्ते का दिन जो है ये इतवार से पहले आता है. इज दिस क्लियर? सी, मार्च कम्स आफ्टर और बिफोर. मार्च कम्स बिफोर अप्रैल. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि मार्च का महीना जो है ये अप्रैल से पहले आता है. अप्रैल के महीने से पहले आता है. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.